In today's video, you will see how you can build a lead generation funnel using Chat GPT in less than 60 minutes. What's up, everybody? My name is Bhavesh, and today you will see how you can create a lead generation funnel entirely using AI using ChatGPT in less than 60 minutes. The video is completely divided into three steps, and here's step number one, which is selecting the lead magnet type and your topic for the lead magnet. Okay, so let's start the video. Step one, go to Chat GPT. Open AI.chatgpt and then simply just type give me 10 lead magnet ideas around your topic. And for example, in this step I'm gonna take email marketing as my topic, plus I'm selecting a lead magnet type which will be a ebook or maybe a checklist kind of thing. Okay, once you enter that, you will see so many topics ChatGPT will give you. Now for an example purpose, to save your time, I'm just picking up this particular topic. Now I have the lead magnet type, I have the topic and the idea also picked. Next thing is going to be about writing the content for that ebook or checklist. So there we go. Once I just pick the topic, now I will come back and just say to ChatGPT, write let's say content on email marketing starter guide, and then I will just copy and paste over here, and there we go. Just give it a try. There we go. I just type it out, and there you guys see title. The chapters are coming in. Awesome. So I will not waste your time. We have the content also ready, which will give you a complete guide to email marketing beginners who are starting with email marketing. Awesome. We have the content. Next step is going to be about getting your content into a proper PDF type or a format. So to give you the idea for this, we will be using Canva, a very familiar tool. Everybody knows about it. Those or don't, just search it out. It's a free graphic designing plus editing application. So what will I do? I will just go on search. I will search for ebook, and here you can see ebook pages, and there we go. We will see lots of template. Now just come over here, pick any particular template that you like, just open it out and just get all of your content, copy and paste and format into a one PDF. There we go. We now have the lead magnet content plus the topic is selected. Now guys, so far we have got the entire lead magnet topic selected, and we also got the content, plus we have used Canva for designing it and give it a great look to it, and a complete format for the ebook or our checklist, which is going to be about email marketing starter. Now let's move ahead guys, and let's see now how you can create a lead generation funnel, which is going to be about step 3. And here I am going to use a tool called doric.com. You can just go to this website, sign up for absolutely free, and once you sign up, you will see a dashboard something like this. Once you come on this dashboard, just click on static option, and now click on create a new site on this option. Once you create it, it will just open the editing canvas, and there you can play with similar to other tools, just drag and drop option, select elements and all of these things. There we go. And now for the example purpose, I already have some created site, so I will just click on edit site, which will save your time. And now once you come on this editing canvas, and here's a very simple outline that we use, just a headline that you can basically get from ChatGPT by saying just give me a 10 headline for my lead generation funnel copy, something like that, and it will give you lot of ideas around your headline. Now basically you can play around that, but here's what we use: a simple headline, plus we have let's say ebook cover design, or that mock-up or whatever we call it, for to show you there. And in your case, you can put the cover, and on the right side we have the bullet points, right? And now I will just, if I want to add more bullet points, I will just click on duplicate, and I will just duplicate. Here I have all of the bullet points to just cover up what I have with this lead magnet. Now I will have a CTA button to unlock now. And now is basically once you have this funnel, you can just click on save, and then you can even click on preview once it is saved. And now here you will see a kind of a demo of this, and there we go. It looks pretty much look clean and good to go. Now basically guys, If you want to give access to user via Google Drive, or maybe you can do run a automation on the backend and send the data to your email marketing software, and from that deliver the ebook or whatever the lead magnet you are offering via complete automation. So this is how, guys, the entire three-step look like. By with the first step, we saw how you can pick the topic around it, build content, and next step we saw how we can format that content with proper design using Canva. And in the next step, we saw a tool called Doric.com, which can help you build the lead generation funnel and share with your customer or this on a social media to get the leads. So yeah, guys, this is how you can build a lead generation funnel using AI. So hope you like this video and found this video helpful as well. If you do, just hit subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.